How to see Google search history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see your Google search history. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open any web browser like Chrome or Safari on your phone. And here, once you're inside, what you can do is you can just tap on the search bar and there you can simply type google.com and simply search for it. And now here, once you see the interface like this, what you can do is you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now from here, you can just tap on manage your Google account. And once you tap on it, on the next page, you simply have to scroll down and tap on data and privacy. And here, once you're inside data and privacy, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and tap on web and app activity. And now here, once you're inside the web and app activity, you simply have to scroll down and tap on manage all web and app activity. And here, this will show you all your activity, including search, maps, YouTube, and much more. And now here you can just tap on the filter option, and there you can also search through by time range like all time or last day, and with that you can just tap on apply and you will see your full search history. And that's it. That's how you can see Google search history. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.